under the sun's golden gaze, a vast, verdant meadow unfolds, a haven of serenity and peace. 3 bullocks, one black, one brown, and one white-gray side by side. Their unity a stark contrast to the lurking danger. The air is alive with birdsong, a symphony of innocence masking the watchful eyes of a predator. At the forest's edge, concealed by shadows, a lion observes with hungry intensity, its gaze fixed on the grazing bullocks. Their bond is their armor, a united front that renders them too formidable to challenge. Beneath the ancient tree, a majestic lion sits, its golden fur illuminated by the dappled sunlight, lost deep in thought. The lion's brow furrows in concentration as it contemplates a solution to separate the bullocks, its eyes gleaming with cunning intelligence. Your friends don't really like you. They talk about you behind your back, the lion speaks. The black bullock's bewildered expression reveals the sting of betrayal. With deliberate grace, the lion rises, its movements silent and stealthy as it approaches the black bullock. The lion approaches the black bullock, its movements silent and stealthy. Days later, the once vibrant green meadow stands dull, the air thick with unspoken tension as the bullocks graze, separated by an invisible divide. The black bullock, isolated and dejected, droops its massive head, embodying the weight of sorrow. From the edge of the woods, a lion lurks, its gaze fixed on the unsuspecting brown bullock grazing in solitude. With a burst of primal energy, the lion explodes from the bushes, a tawny streak against the green. Startled, the brown bullock bolts towards the dense trees, a desperate race against nature's hunger. The forest swallows them both, leaving the meadow in silence, save for the gentle whisper of the leaves. The sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the green meadow, leaving the black bullock alone in the fading light. A wave of unease washes over the black bullock, its senses heightened as it nervously surveys the silent landscape. From the veil of shadows, a predator emerges, a lion, its eyes gleaming with predatory intent. Terror grips the black bullock as it realizes it is utterly defenseless against the approaching threat. The lion advances, its relentless approach signaling the inevitable.